Good evening, everyone. I'm AJ Walker with your Fox 47 weather. In our weather headlines, hot temperatures and scattered thunderstorms this weekend. Thunderstorm chances to start the work week, and then mild temperatures and sunshine starting midweek. The thunderstorms we're expecting on Saturday carry a marginal risk to become severe. The biggest threat with these thunderstorms are going to be heavy rainfall at times, torrential downpours at times, and some strong wind gusts. Sunday, we also have thunderstorm chances as well, and they also carry a marginal risk to become severe. Here's how things are tracking for us on our Futurecast. We're pretty quiet overnight, but we'll start to see a few clouds rolling through, and then we get into Sunday. Here's a look. We get into Saturday at 1 p.m. and we'll start to see some cloud cover building in there. We advance to 6 p.m. on Saturday, and that's when we start to see thunderstorms rolling through the St. John's, Portland, Ionia area, and also down there in the Marshall-Eaton Rapids area. But once we get to 8 p.m. on Saturday, more widespread showers and thunderstorms moving through. And then once those transition east, we have another round that's going to move in for midnight. So Albion and our neighborhoods to the south there are expecting that. And then we get to 2 a.m. and they aren't finished. We do start to see some of the showers die down a little bit for the Lansing area, but our neighborhoods to the south still seeing some heavy rainfall at that time. We get to 4 a.m. and we're still looking at some rain, and then it doesn't go away for several days. Now, these days are not washouts. We'll have moments of dry conditions at times and even get some sunshine at times, but we have showers and thunderstorm chances all the way through Tuesday, and then Wednesday we dry out and have some high pressure building in. Dew points are going to be in the 70s for the next couple of days, so that's what's helping to bring that potential for some heavy rainfall. But for tonight, an overnight low of 68 degrees, mostly clear skies. For tomorrow, a high of 90 degrees. We have the scattered thunderstorms, and then we're going to be seeing that pattern all the way through Tuesday. So we think the rainiest days are going to be for tomorrow and also Monday as well, but there's still scattered thunderstorm chances for Sunday and also Tuesday. By Wednesday, like I said, the high pressure builds in, nicely dries us out, the sunshine returns, and we're going to have a nice little stretch of days where we can enjoy ourselves outdoors again, and lots of sunshine, and the temperatures are even comfortable in the low 80 range. So I'm looking forward to that. So that'll do it right now for your Fox 47 weather. I'll let you get back to our news.